Hey everyone, my name's Tim, and got a doe walking on the path. Doesn't know I'm out here. Now she sees me. I don't know if y'all could see her. It's a beautiful day here in Battle Creek, Michigan. This is where I'm at. Wagging her tail. She's just walking. There she goes. I haven't been seeing her out here for a while. And usually she hasn't been out here, but for the a couple days ago I seen her out here. It was in the afternoon. Have never seen anything out here in the afternoon, but it's been a long time since I've seen one out here in the morning, since I've been coming out here. They're out here cutting the grass today, if you could tell. I'm at a nature preserve again, still the nature preserve. I enjoy coming out here because this brings me out to the woodland. I grew up, when I was a little boy, I grew up in areas like this. And that's why I come out here. Oh, there goes another one. Oh, I had two of them out here today. That's awesome. First time I've caught two. Usually I'm always catching one, but had another one out here. Well, two for the price of one. That's cool. Don't get to have that happen much. Usually I only get one out here, but didn't see that one. That one must have been over here hiding in the bushes. I heard my voice. That's awesome. The other one took off this direction. Must be two females, because I didn't see no horns on them. Hardly ever see a buck out here. I always see a female, a doe. Got a bird on the birdhouse. Awesome seeing birdhouses out here for the birds. They got them in certain areas out here for the birds, so the birds can get in somewhere if it's raining or snowing. Not big enough, but I don't know how much those can hold, but sure they can hold plenty. Beautiful day. Like a bird flying around. I don't know if you could see it. It's a beautiful day here in Battle Creek. Got beautiful blue skies. I guess the temperature is supposed to warm up later to this afternoon. Got birds flying around. Must be a hawk looking for food. Small rodents. Well, everyone, y'all take it easy. Have a super fine one. Be on the lookout for more videos of deer. I enjoy doing this. This is awesome. But for now, it's me, Tim, and I'm out.